So here we go. CNC group break 15 at 77, 12-13 in the game. Superlative V3 draft to finish off the night. And the last break I'm going to do for 4 days. So I guess I better leave on a good note, before I come back on Tuesday. Well, it looks like I'm going to be. Because I like this start. We've got a Superlative Jersey Onyx. 1 of 1. Sergey Fedorov. 1 of 1. Sergey Fedorov. We've got an Auto Silver, numbered 1 of 40. Jonathan Quick. Jonathan Quick. We've got a 3-color Prospect, Auto, and Jersey Silver, number 20 of 30, Matt Calvert. 20 of 30, Matt Calvert. We've got a beautiful 3-color Patch Silver, numbered 1 of 19, Jonathan Quick. Jonathan Quick. We've got an Auto Plus Glove. Number 2 of 9, Joe Sakic. 2 of 9 Auto Plus Glove. Well, stacked pack so far. We've got a Raise to the Rafters jersey, number 2 of 9. I just had to. Lanny. 2 of 9, Lanny McDonald. And oh, that is badass. Yeah, that's a big hit. Numbered 1 of 1. Superlative nameplate. Off a game-used Winnipeg Jets jersey, Teemu Selanne. 1 of 1, Teemu Selanne. Winnipeg Jets nameplate. Well, 2 101s, a Sakic auto, and all that other pretty stuff. Yeah, I could live with that. So, draft order coming.